The financial aid process can be a bit overwhelming, but the financial aid tools and self-service simplifies it into a visual step-by-step process. The financial aid checklist allows students to know what is required of them throughout the financial aid process. Not only does it notify students if they have missing documents that need to be submitted, but it also has links and helpful information to explain each required item. There are also helpful links on the side of the page and contact information at the bottom. Students can contact financial aid directly if they have any questions about the process. Once the checklist items are completed and awards are available, students can use the financial aid tool to view their awards. The awards view gives a clear breakdown of what awards are received. It shows all grants, loans, and scholarships. Self-service financial aid is easy to navigate, and it can be accessed on any mobile device.